this next item, you need this. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Usually in my hauls I show you just travel items, but in this haul it's going to be some travel items plus some of my favorite products that I just love to travel with that I get at Target. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so most of us love Target, and you know when you first walk into Target, they have like kind of like that discounted section. It's like really cool items that can range from like $1, $3, $5, that section. So in this section, I found some really awesome finds. The first find that I found was this adorable bag. This bag was only $5, and it has such a really cute like spring, summery print. So when you open this bag up, it's pretty much just like your standard bag that you can pretty much put anything. You can put makeup items in here, you can put camera equipment in here, you can put pretty much anything to stay organized. And I've told y'all multiple times, for me, I live out of my suitcase basically. So organization is key. So I always love to find really cool bags to keep my stuff in. So also in this section, along with this, I found these bags right here. Like, look how cute this print is, and it has like a little tassel, and then I got this print right here, and I also got this nice orange one. So this orange one is a bit different because it does have like a really good padding in there. So if you have something that you really want to keep protected in there, or if you want to put some chargers in here, if you want to put just like some makeup in here, if you want to use this for your purse. I love bags like this because they are so versatile, and I got all three of these bags for $3 a piece. So for $3 a piece, these are a steal. Also, I don't know if they are going to have these bags on their website, but I am going to list as many of the items that I did buy down below that they may have on their website, because I do know a lot of you do like to online shop. I like to online shop. But okay, so the next bag that I got is this right here. This was also in that same section, and this one again was $3. They had a lot of different cute prints, but I really like this one. It kind of gave me that like that beach summery vibe. But this bag in particular, I really like because when you open it, it is lined with that plastic lining. So you can actually keep a lot of beach items. You can keep liquid items in here, and if anything spills, it's really easy to just wipe it down. So this is an awesome wet, dry kind of bag. Love that, love the print just like the rest of it, but let's move on to the next item. Okay, so this item right here is probably going to be one of my most used finds that I found at Target, because I can like already think of a million things that I need this for. And this was in that same section, and that's this right here. So this one was a bit more expensive for that section. Usually doesn't go up this high in price, but it was only $8, and it is a charging hub. How many times do y'all go into a hotel room and it only seems like there's one working charger right near the bed? It happens to me all of the time. Like, I cannot explain how often this happens. I love this because you can literally like plug it in and have multiple USBs to charge your stuff. So for somebody like me who has my flight attendant tablet, I have my Apple Watch, I have my phone, I have all of these things that always have to be charged every single time. So I am super excited about this because then everything can stay right near me. It's all in one section, so I do not forget anything. This one is definitely going to get its use. Okay, so next item. Okay, so I'll admit this probably shouldn't be in the haul, but I just adore it, and I think a lot of you might too. It's getting to be that spring summer time, and I love to grow my own fresh herbs. So in the same section in Target, even though it's not a travel item, I did find these really cute planters. So this one is rosemary, this one is oregano, and then I have one more, this one right here, which is cilantro. I don't even know if I can hold these all up, but they're such like a cute set together, and they had so many different ones. They had flowers, they had everything, and they were only $3 a piece. So if you're anything like me and you do like to do your own herbs and just add that freshness to your meals, really cool idea. I don't think you're going to be traveling with these, but I just wanted to show them to you anyways. We are now moving out of the discount section. I think like this is how most Targets are set up, but it goes to like the clothing, the bags, accessories, that kind of stuff. So that is the part that I'm going through on the Target. I did get this top right here. I also got a couple other shirts and a bathing suit top, which I don't think y'all care much to see. I mean, Target has a lot of cute stuff. I'm sure most of you know Target has a lot of cute stuff. And if you are looking for swimsuits, that's a great place to look. But anyways, out of the clothing section and into the accessories bag section, I looked for bags. There was nothing that really just stood out that I had to have for traveling purposes, but I did find this. And I think this is so cool. I don't know what about this that I just love, but I love this. It is this right here, and that is an eyeglass case. But I was thinking to myself, like, you can use this for so much more than just eyewear. And it is this foldable case, so you can literally open it up, and then right here you see these things right here, and you just push them out, and then it goes and collapses. I think that is so neat and so easy to pack with you. You can put your sunglasses in there, you can put, I don't know, like makeup items in here and just close it up, and there you go. I thought that was super cute. And then of course, if you're like wearing your sunglasses or whatever you have in here, you just fold this up, you're good to go. This was $12.99. Okay, so this next item I did find in this sporting goods section, and it is going to come in handy for so many of you. Now that the weather is getting really good, we're getting into that spring, that summer weather, and most of you are going to be walking and hiking and everything. That is this right here. So this is Body Glide, and you can put it on like your heels or kind of like on your toe area, or things like when you're going to be wearing shoes and they're going to be rubbing on your feet. This is to help prevent blisters. And I know many of you have been on vacation, gotten blisters, and it ruined everything because it hurts to walk, but you want to explore a city or wherever new exciting place you are, and you can barely be on your feet. So I know that this is going to be such a great item and save many of your vacations. So please check this stuff out. It is all day protection, 100% natural, no fragrance, child safe, never wet, never greasy, no parabens, never messy, no animal testing, plant ingredients, hypoallergenic. You need this. And the other one, okay, so I didn't get it, but I have to go back and get it. They also have one for chafing. And I know like anybody that gets kind of like that chub rub between your thighs or the bra right here. I do. I 100% do. And I need to go back and get that one. I don't know why I didn't get it in the first place. But yeah, while you're there, get this one, get that one. I think they had 2 more. I can't quite remember what they're for. If I can, I'll try and like link all 4 of them down below. But yeah, this is going to save so many of you, and you are welcome in advance. So now for this next item, you need this. Please listen to me, you need this. And that is some sunscreen. Now I did get this bottle because I thought it would be really good to show you, because this one does have antioxidant green tea extract in it. It is a 30 SPF, but I specifically wanted to show it because it is under the liquid rules. So you can travel with this when you need to follow the liquid rules. Now, the other thing that I think a lot of you do not know is there is so much radiation in planes. So not only do I recommend this for your vacations, but I also recommend this when you are traveling on an airplane. I know that sounds a little bit silly, but I can't tell you how many pilots and how many flight attendants and how many frequent flyers unfortunately get skin cancer because there is a lot of radiation in planes, and people just don't think about that. So please use some sunscreen when you are traveling, whether that's in a plane, in a train, in a car, just outside. Just use it. It's going to help your skin so much. Speaking of skincare, this is another one that you need, especially flight attendants, because I can't tell you how many times I'm popping Coke cans and my hands are so dry. So get some lotion. This one is by Love Beauty and Planet. It's coconut water and mimosa flower, luscious hydration hand lotion. And it has natural coconut water, ethically sourced mimosa. It is vegan, no dyes, no parabens, and it's plastic made from 65% recycled material tubes. Anyways, get you some hand lotion. I mean, I don't know if y'all can see some of this, but especially like when you're working out and then the soda cans, or just if you're frequently traveling, your hands do dry out, your skin dries out, so hand lotion is good. Okay, so next thing, also speaking of skincare right now, I did grab this. Now this is Bliss. It is a cream to water hydrator for all day moisturizer. Now I have said many times on my channel, I do have very dry skin. I need moisturizer to help my skin. If y'all have used this one before, let me know what you think. I am trying out different moisturizers. So also comment me down below what your favorite moisturizers are. I've heard Kiehl's is really good. One of my girlfriends just bought me the one from Trader Joe's. So I'm currently using that one as well. And of course I will try this one out. Along with your skin, your lips. You need to keep your lips as moisturized as possible. This is one of my new favorites, and that is the Vaseline Lip Therapy. This one is an aloe. I literally have eyelash glue on that. But I will be honest, I did not get this at Target. I got it at either Walgreens or CVS. But I want to mention it because it's important, and I do know that Target actually does carry it. Smells super good, and it's also great to put under your matte lipsticks, because matte lipsticks are long wear, but so drying. So I actually do have this right underneath my lipstick. So speaking of matte lipsticks, I also did pick this up. This is by Wet n Wild. Color is Nudist Beach. It is the color that's currently on my lips. I haven't used Wet n Wild in forever, but I've been hearing that their formulas have been getting really good lately, so I did want to check out some products by them. I actually really love this. I usually use the NYX Liquid Suede, but this is good too. I'm not mad. And the doe foot on this is pretty unique. It does have a little bent curve to it, which makes it like really easy to apply to your lips. If you are looking for some good lipsticks, go ahead and check like these out. And another thing thing that I did get by Wet n Wild, which I love. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it, but I love this. Like literally, I love this. It is Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner Black. I have it on my eyes right now. It is really, really easy to be as like precise or as thick or small as you want. If you're looking for a good eyeliner, this is where it's at. So now that we're gonna be kind of in that beauty section, I've shown you some of like the skincare stuff that I have. I've shown you now my lipstick. I've shown you my eyeliner, but I have gotten asked by so many of y'all, what kind of eyelashes do I wear? So this is the kind that I wear. I wear Ardell. You can find these at Target. You can find these at Walgreens, CVS. Pretty much anywhere that carries eyelashes carries Ardell. I'll just take this black part off and then just keep that plastic part. So I'll just travel with my eyelashes back in their original container. The ones that I am currently wearing are also Ardell Wispies. They are the double up kind right here. And I just adore these. I really like Ardell. They look really natural. They have a really good band. And for glue, I use Duo in black, the one that has the brush on it. So there you go. Those are my eyelashes. The next thing that I did buy in the makeup section is Make It Dewy by Milani. This is a setting spray. I love that glow, especially in that spring, summertime. This smells amazing. But the other thing, when you are checking out for setting sprays, please, 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 even if you do not get this one, a lot of times I do use Morphe setting sprays, but when you are buying them, make sure there is not alcohol in your setting spray. Alcohol ages you. So please do not be spraying alcohol all over your face. Please don't do that. Look at the ingredients before you buy your setting spray. But yeah, there are some really good ones. The other thing that I did want to get were some beauty blenders, smaller ones, because I know like some of the nose areas, some of the lines are like harder to reach. So I did find these. I thought the print was adorable. They have like that marbly look, but they also come in like a really affordable set. I haven't used these yet, so I can't give you my best recommendation on how they do, other than the fact that they are absolutely adorable. The next thing that I did buy were just the makeup brushes by e.l.f. They had a bunch of their brushes out so you could actually feel what the brushes feel like. All of these felt really good. This is an ultimate blending brush. I got a complexion brush. I got a crease brush, and it is a small taper brush. Okay, and last but not least, now this one kind of cracks me up because it is so important to me. This one drives me mad, so I am super happy, and it's kind of funny I'm saving this for last, but I got a mini hairbrush. I hate traveling with a bigger hairbrush. I don't know what it is. Can't stand it. It takes up too much room. Half the time I won't pack it because it annoys me so bad. So I did get this mini hairbrush for $3. Okay, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this haul, seeing some of my new travel items and also some of my favorite items. I will see you guys next time. Bye.